Alright, so let's talk about one of the coolest things in the tech world that doesn't involve a new phone release or a folding screen. It's called Google Summer of Code, or GSoC for short. Now, you might have heard of it, maybe a friend did it or you saw it mentioned on a forum somewhere. But what is it really? Think of it as the ultimate summer internship, but instead of getting coffee, you're writing actual code for massive open source projects. You're contributing to software that millions, maybe billions of people use every day, and the best part, you get paid to do it. Let's rewind the clock. The year is 2005. The first iPhone is still 2 years away, YouTube was just founded, and social media wasn't quite the beast it is today. This is when Google launched the very first Google Summer of Code with about 40 organizations and just over 400 students. Fast forward a few years, by 2008, GSoC had funded thousands of students from nearly 100 countries. The program was growing not just in size, but in reputation. It became prestigious to have on your resume. Organizations like Apache, Python Foundation, and GNOME were regular participants, relying on GSoC students to push their projects forward. Then came the 2020s, some of the biggest changes in the program's history. In 2022, Google opened GSoC to anyone new to open source, not just university students. Career changers, self-taught developers, people returning to work could all participate. They also introduced flexibility with medium projects at about 175 hours, and large projects at 350 hours. Here in 2025, GSoC celebrates its 20th anniversary, having welcomed over 20,000 contributors from 116 countries. So, you're interested, you want in. How does this whole thing actually work? Let's break down the playbook. At its core, GSoC is a three-way partnership between Google, the open source organizations, and you, the contributor. Google provides the platform, funding, and structure. They're the producers, setting the stage but not writing the script. First up, mentoring organizations. These are established open source projects. Mozilla, Blender, LibreOffice, CERN. Every year these orgs apply to be part of GSoC. Selections are announced in February, then they publish project ideas. Start early. Don't wait until applications open in late March. As soon as the organization list is out, dive in. Pick a few that align with your interests and tech stack. This is critical. Engage with the community. Join their Discord, mailing lists, IRC channels. Make a small contribution before you apply. Fix a bug, improve documentation. This proves you can navigate their workflow and are serious about contributing. Your proposal needs clear structure. Introduction about yourself, why this project interests you. Provide a detailed project plan breaking the 12-week summer into weekly deliverables. What will you accomplish in week 1, week 6, week 12? Detail technical challenges you anticipate and how you'll overcome them. Talk about your experience and why you're the right person for this project. 10-page proposals aren't uncommon. Get mentor feedback before submitting. It's hard work but absolutely worth it. Over 20 years, GSoC has powered incredible projects and legendary organizations. Take the Python Software Foundation. Python is one of the most popular languages on the planet, and GSoC has been a consistent talent pipeline for its ecosystem. Apache Software Foundation hosts hundreds of projects, including the server that's powered much of the web. Through GSoC, students work on big data tools like Hadoop and Spark. GSoC impacts the creative world too. Blender Foundation contributors have built major features like cycles rendering and new modeling tools. CERN mentors students working on software that analyzes petabytes of particle collision data. Imagine spending your summer writing code that could help uncover secrets of the universe. While organizations are amazing, it's the people who are the real heart of GSoC. Take Carol Willing, now a core Jupyter developer and former Python Foundation board member. She started as a GSoC mentor, showing the other side, giving back and guiding the next generation. Many start with a single GSoC project and never leave. They stick around long after summer, eventually becoming mentors themselves, reviewing applications and guiding new contributors. Their GSoC work becomes a major resume entry, often leading to job offers from top tech companies. Others use it to launch startups or research careers, learning project management, remote collaboration, and deep technical expertise. GSoC is a massive win-win situation, a symbiotic relationship where both contributors and organizations get huge value. Contributors get incredible real-world experience working on live, complex codebases with global teams, plus mentorship from experienced developers and compensation for their learning. For often volunteer-run projects, GSoC provides dedicated paid contributors for 3 months. They tackle back-burner tasks, accelerate roadmaps, and many contributors stick around as long-term community members. GSoC is the best recruitment tool for open source, continuously infusing projects with new talent, ideas, and energy while cultivating next-generation leaders. Here in 2025, the tech landscape looks wildly different than 2005. We have AI generating code, countless online courses, but GSoC matters now more than ever. In an age of information overload, GSoC provides something rare and valuable: structure, mentorship, and real community. It cuts through noise and gives a clear path to meaningful contribution. The expansion beyond traditional students is huge. Artists, writers, career changers. GSoC now provides structured on-ramps for diverse individuals, creating more inclusive tech communities. GSoC has been remote first for 2 decades, teaching cross-time zone communication, asynchronous project management, and relationship building. Essential skills for modern distributed workforces. Okay, so you're convinced. You're ready to throw your hat in the ring for the next Google Summer of Code. Start preparing now, even if applications are months away. The best applicants don't rush. First stop, the official GSoC website. Read everything. Study the contributor guide, timeline, and browse archives of past organizations and projects. Work on your skills. Get solid in at least one programming language like Python or JavaScript. Build small projects and contribute on GitHub to get comfortable with Git. When mentoring orgs are released, find projects that excite you and fit your skills. Join their communities, ask smart questions, make small contributions, and make good first impressions. Pour your heart into your proposal. Well-written proposals demonstrate homework, project understanding, and credible success plans. Get mentor feedback before submitting. GSoC is more than a summer program. It's a launchpad. It's your entry ticket into a global community of builders, so go for it. The open source world is waiting for you.